A client should look for IUVO for clinical research, mainly because the experience that we have within our group is ophthalmic only. We know the world of the eye, again, from front to back. I'd say that most of the referrals that we get, requests for proposals, come from other sponsors. And I think that's the highest recommendation that can be made with any organization. It's in the doctor world, it's like if doctors treat other doctors, you're a doctor's doctor. That's a high recommendation. We get our referrals from other sponsors, and our sponsors give us referrals to other sponsors. And I think that's very important in our world. IUVO not only now has expertise in ophthalmic advisory, but also regulatory and product development, protocol development, data management, coding expertise, as well as in the device area, the pharmaceutical area. It's an all-inclusive organization that a sponsor would love to have all that experience and not have to see it contracted out for any particular reason. IUVO Bioscience, as a partner research organization, gets into many, not just the pharmaceutical world, but also into devices, whether it be contact lenses. We've done a number of contact lens studies with ProMedica. There have been glaucoma devices. There have been devices that have been implanted into the back of the eye. So there are a number of devices that, again, make us the go-to, with the experience that we have, the go-to research organization that a sponsor should come to. Our goal is always to have the best data possible so that when the study is over and the data lock is in place, that the database lock is in place, that the end result is going to be a win for the sponsor. When I talk about success for a sponsor, I talk about the fact that their primary objective in the product that they are sponsoring met its final goal, and the data supports that their final objective was found. If you have good sites with good investigators, they know what to look for so that the data is good. They know how to grade a red eye. They know how to look at a fluorescein stain and grade it, or a lissamine stain and grade it. All of that data is crucial. And when we have our investigator meetings, we literally test our investigators to make sure that everybody is on the same page, and that a grade 1 with one site is the same as a grade 1 and another site. And we really go over that to make sure that our data is good. Once that happens, that means that they can move forward with that drug to the next step, whether it be phase 1 to phase 2, phase 2 to phase 3, or having final approval where they can now produce the drug and get it out into the community and into the ophthalmic world. So success really means bringing that primary objective to fruition. I think IUVO Bioscience, as a partner research organization, is one of the top ophthalmic clinical research organizations in the United States. I think we can easily compete with any of the ophthalmic-focused clinical research organizations that exist. And I think that the fact that sponsors are the ones that recommend us to other sponsors is the highest of recommendations. And I think we certainly deserve it and have the ophthalmic expertise to perform.